Trend Follow Strategy. Greetings, and welcome to our trading analysis for today's session. Our advanced algorithmic trading system executed a strategic trade utilizing the Trend Follow strategy, centered around NVAX Incorporated, NVAX. Today, we delve into a comprehensive examination of this specific trade to provide valuable insights. Precisely at 10:54 a.m., our algorithmic trading system identified a potential price rally in NVAX through the Trend Follow strategy. Consequently, a buy order for NVAX shares was initiated at $8. Let's closely examine the 1-minute chart for a detailed perspective. Following the entry, the price surged to $8.12, in alignment with our expectations. However, our trading system refrained from premature exits, adhering to its non-scalping approach. As the day progressed, NVAX's price reached its daily peak before retracing. Continuously monitoring NVAX's price action, our algorithmic system detected signals indicating the conclusion of the rally at 11:54 a.m. Subsequently, all positions were strategically exited at $8.01 per share, yielding a modest gain. Remarkably, the NVAX price experienced a sharp decline post our calculated exit. Shifting our focus to NVAX's end-of-day performance, the stock settled at $7.65, significantly below our predetermined exit price. For a comprehensive analysis of this trade, we encourage you to review today's live streaming session. Thank you for accompanying us on this insightful trading journey. Stay tuned for more analytical updates and strategic insights. Happy trading!